Rich Tehrani here with TMC. We're at Interop 2013. On the program is Kowshik Bhat. He is with Xirrus, and welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So what are you showing? What are you talking about at the show?
So what we have announced yesterday was Xirrus's unified access strategy. So what basically it does is that we are a wireless provider. Now industry is moving from a wired only infrastructure to a wireless infrastructure. Very heavy mobile usage, right? So what we are developing, what we are delivering to the market to meet the customer requirements is a seamless access to unified wired or wireless, however the customer come, but a seamless access to them and delivering a consistent application performance. That's what we are announcing today or yesterday with Unified Access Network.
Now, so that kind of is an expansion of what your company has done in the past, right?
Yes, absolutely. So what we are still focusing heavily on the wireless component. We are a wireless first company. Right? Wired is a component that is going to be added as part of the Unified Access Network to provide seamless access, primarily because customers are transitioning from a PC-based computing to mobile-centric computing, right? So to facilitate that with enterprise customers, to make it easy for them to make that migration, now no longer just email or web-based access, but now customers are considering more business-critical applications. As they're making that move, we want to help them make that transition. So that's what we are announcing with this, helping customers with this announcement.
Now, are there certain sectors of the market that may be more interested in this kind of technology?
Yes, certainly. I mean, it's very relevant in the enterprise segment in terms of the mid-market. Also verticals like hospitality. We announced a switch specific to hospitality, as well as it's an in-room 3-port switch where you can bring in one cable into the room but have multiple devices connected to it. Best cases, things like the critical use cases like dormitories, where you have a student wanting multiple devices to be connected, gaming consoles, PCs, laptops, things like that, as well as in the hospitality industry. So certainly that particular switch is catered towards that. The other two switches that we announced, which is a 24-port switch, PoE switch, as well as a 48-port PoE switch, we are targeting more towards the enterprise customers for unified access.
Anything else we should know about?
Oh, absolutely. As part of this unified access, we are announcing two other components, I should say, to make it easy for IT to deploy fast and easy to deploy this unified access, both wired and wireless. We are introducing what's called as Xirrus Mobilize, which is a free cloud-based service for automated activation of the switches, as well as zero-touch provisioning. So the complete burden on IT is taken away. You just have to plug in the devices to an Ethernet connection. They automatically search and find the cloud service, Xirrus Mobilize, download the configuration, enroll them into the management suite for a single pane of glass management, completely without any interaction from the IT departments. So the the next component is the unified access layer. As I mentioned, you have to deliver services to the customers, the users who are accessing the network. So to deliver the unified access, we are also extending our access network with programmability into it. So we are also announcing API, RESTful JSON API, to integrate with the ecosystem partner to deliver a holistic solution which is easy to integrate with our unified wired and wireless access network.
Excellent. What's next? Anything else we should know?
No, there is a lot more planned for us. We are marching down this path, and we have, in the past 9 months, we have delivered a number of solutions like application controls, a 520 access point, with Mobilize that we are announcing right now, and we will continue down this path to deliver more value-added services around this with Xirrus offering over the next, in the upcoming months.
It's a logical move from just enterprise-grade Wi-Fi and campus-grade Wi-Fi to more networking components that are, I guess, adjacent. So I applaud you for the move.
Thank you very much. Yes, it certainly is the case because, again, as I said, industries and customers are moving towards mobility. Mobility is a business imperative, right? And IT is forced to support that business directive, and we are helping IT to deploy and deliver a consistent access layer with uniform policy, so the users can have seamless access no matter what kind of application and how they are coming onto the network, wired or wireless.
Thanks again. Have a great show.
All right, thank you.